Let's go ahead and start this episode of Boats vs. Haulover off with just a little bit of eye candy. I know this won't be everybody's version of eye candy, but I love these cats. These things are awesome. Welcome back, guys. It is Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature at Haulover Inlet. And here comes the hurricane in our first round, as we're going to see a hurricane sundeck, basically a small lake boat, come through here and try and tackle Haulover Inlet in the first round. Right here, my man's actually got a pretty good running attitude. Good speed and pace, and actually is handling Haulover pretty well, especially considering the type of boat he's running. This one's definitely going to the boats in the first round. Also, a Hurricane Sundeck was my first boat many years ago, so I've got a little bit of a soft spot for him. And our second boater to tackle Haulover Inlet, well, it's going to show us what happens when we have a little father-son trouble out on the water. Here we can see Sonny Boy driving the old boat, and Dad's in the bow. Here my man's going to come through Haulover, once again a little bit too slow, but just fast enough to give his father a jarring experience. Right here we can see the father's getting soaked and getting knocked around pretty good. I'm sure the son's getting a little bit of an ear whipping, but not only that, Haulover's given a tail whipping, and this round will go to Haulover. Our third boater is going to show us what it's like to come cruising into Haulover in a bayliner. That's right, another small lake boat. Here my guy's coming in, he's actually coming in the right side of Haulover, which is the calmer side, which is the north side of the jetty. Here they come through and they're getting a little bit soaked. Haulover is giving them a bit of a tail whipping, not too bad for the size of boat they're in, but we will give this round to Haulover because they all look soaked. Our fourth boater to tackle Haulover is my favorite person that comes through Haulover. It is those guys that come rolling through here with no F's given about what Haulover's doing. They're coming in throttle down. They're going to take their tail whipping no matter what. Doesn't matter if the boat's 16 foot in the air or whatever's going on. I love watching these clips and could watch them all day long. I have to give this one to the boats. Our fifth and final round is going to be a little more complex this week. It's a tale of two stories. Here you're going to see our guy coming through here in a 21-foot Yamaha twin-engine boat. They are actually running through Haulover pretty solid once again on what should be considered by most to be a small lake boat. They take a little bit of air here and there, but overall there's not a whole lot of water coming over the bow or anything like that. They really make it through fairly clean. At first I wanted to give this round to the boats. Then you see the second part of the story. Once they come into Haulover Inlet, go hang out at the sandbar. As usual, they have to come back out of Haulover Inlet. As you can tell here, it is a different story. Yes, we have a different captain, but still, this isn't captains versus Haulover. This is boats versus Haulover. And right here, this made it a really tough call for me to really give the boats the win when I saw my man come back out of Haulover Inlet running like this. I'm going to do the same thing I did last week, and I'm going to let you guys call it. Go ahead and vote in the comments below. Let me know who won, boats or Haulover. Here are some of the people who voted first last week. Want to thank you guys for voting. And once again, I'll highlight a few people from this week's vote count as well. Last week, Haulover did win, but just barely. The boats were really close last week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and check out our other two channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage of Haulover, and my channel, Broncos Guru, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, drop an anchor on the subscribe button.